Well, I had an InDesign beginners course, which was a 2 days program. Well, I have to admit that yes, I really do work with some designing materials, though I didn't have the knowledge to use this software, but it's something that will really help me in future. So because I need to prepare some brochures, some images that InDesign really helps in creating. Well, my trainer was Ian. He was really supportive and helpful. Actually, my InDesign knowledge was really basic. I had only installed the software on my laptop, so it was not something that I was used to, and he was really helpful on helping me navigate the software, and really patient as well, because sometimes I was taking longer time than others to do some things. So yes, I would highly recommend it. Yes, for me it worked really well, and I actually highly recommend it because you are on your own place, and at the same time you are in contact with the instructor and the rest of the class, and we could do whatever we use the software on our own, but have the instructor at the same time navigating us, and it was really helpful to be able to have your own questions and live support. Yes, I have already done. I have already recommended the courses to the rest of my team, so I believe you will be one of our first options when we need to do something, to learn something new.